Hey friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial you will learn how to fix no more room in Hell 2 game not working, crashing, not launching, not loading or stuck on loading screen problem, freezing issue or black screen issue on PS5 consoles. So here follow the fixes mentioned in this video. First solution is to restart your PS5. So press and hold power button on the console and select power off. Unplug all the wires, wait for a few seconds and then press the power button again. It will remove any remaining power and will clear your system cache. Now plug in all the wires, turn on your PS5 and then launch the game and check. Solution 2 is to restore license. So on your PS5 go to settings, click on users and accounts, scroll down and go to other and then go to restore license. Select no more room in Hell 2 game and then select restore. Select yes to confirm. After this launch the game and check. Solution 3 is to log out and log in. So log out from your PlayStation Network account, go to settings, users and accounts, other sign out, wait for a few minutes and then log in back. And then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Solution 4 is to switch Wi-Fi frequency. So go to PS5 settings, networks, go to settings, set up internet connection, press the options button. Now in the Wi-Fi frequency, you can switch to either 5 GHz or 2.4 GHz and see which one works for you. Solution 5 is to disable enable HDCP. So go to PS5 settings, select system and then choose HDMI type, turn off enable HDCP and then launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then repeat the process and this time turn on enable HDCP and then check. Solution 6 is to change console language. So open your PS5 settings and then navigate to system, go to the language section, then select your current language. Try changing it to English or any other language to fix the problem. Solution 7 is to rebuild database on PS5. So power off your PS5 but don't unplug it from the wall socket. Press and hold power button on your console until you hear 2 beep sound and then release the button. Your console will boot into the safe mode. Now connect your controller to your console with the use of USB cable and then press the PS button. Use the D-pad to scroll down and select clear cache and rebuild database. Next select rebuild database OK. And then you can go ahead, launch no more room in Hell 2 game and then check if the problem is solved or not. Solution 8 is to delete game data and cache. Now please take a note over here. Make sure to back up this save data to prevent unexpected game progress loss. Now go to settings, save data and game/app settings. Select save data PS5 and then navigate to console storage delete. Select no more room in Hell 2 game, then select delete OK. Now restart your console and then launch the game and check. Solution 9 is to change DNS server. So open PlayStation settings and navigate to network, set up internet connection. Choose your internet type and select your internet connection when prompted. Then select custom and choose automatic option for the IP address. Select do not specify for a DHCP hostname and in the settings choose manual and then in the primary DNS enter 8.8.8.8 and in secondary DNS enter 8.8.4.4. For the proxy server select don't use and then you can go ahead launch the game and check. Now if that doesn't work, then repeat the process and this time in the primary DNS enter 1.1.1.1 and in secondary DNS enter 1.0.0.1 and then save it and then again relaunch the game and check. Now after following all these fixes, if still your problem is not solved, then the last solution is to reinstall or transfer the game to SSD. So if you're using a SSD in the expansion slot on your PS5, then reinstall or transfer the game to SSD and then try to launch the game and see if that helps or not. So by following these fixes, you can easily solve no more room in Hell 2 game not working, crashing, not launching or won't launch issue, not loading or stuck on loading screen problem, freezing problem or black screen issue on PS5 consoles. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.